everyone, my name is AKHILA VASUDEVAN. I completed my graduation from Calicut University in Kerala in the year 2022 and I got placed in Wipro in the month of November, and after the graduation I came to know about JSpiders Hebbal, and in the month of July 10th I joined here. And I recently got placed in Wipro, and I'm really thankful for everybody, every faculties and the staffs over here. And it will be unfair if I didn't mention their names. So I would like to thank especially like Anupama ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Rahul sir, Akshay sir, Uma sir, Salman sir, and every other faculties who really helped me in learning new technical skills. And I would like to thank all the HRs and the counselors who really helped me and supported me till this day. And talking about the presentation classes, we were having presentation classes in between the regular classes. So it was really helpful in learning new things and trying to interact with everybody and improving the communication skills. And to talk about the grooming classes, all the grooming classes were held well in advance to the interview date. So we were able to crack the interviews very easily. And I would like to thank every faculties and the staffs over here which helped me a lot in cracking the interview and getting placed soon. Thank you.